So I'm going to create a comic book cover in Pixlr. Started by going to Google image search, did a search for what I wanted. I chose tools, Creative Commons license to make sure I got something that was available for free without violating copyright. Since I'm going to use this guy, I went ahead and searched for a red background, again with Creative Commons. We'll go with this guy here. Once you've chosen what you wanted, you can do a copy image address. And then in Pixlr, you can do load URL and paste the address to get what you want. Since mine is turned the wrong way, I'm going to do image rotation 90 degrees. I'm going to go get my comic character, do copy image. Since I already have an image here, I can just paste them on top. Use the mouse wheel to scroll out, or if you're on a Chromebook, you can use zoom here and do plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out. I'm going to resize him. I'm going to go ahead and add a outer glow just to this character, just for an effect. So I'm going to put a reddish glow on there. So we're going to make it slightly darker. There we go. That looks pretty good. You can just play with the sliders till you get something that you like. Then our comic book cover needs a title. So I'm going to go to text, click to add a text layer, put whatever name I want to put on here. Probably need to resize the font so that it all fits. And then you can change to a font that you think looks good for your scene. Found one here that looks pretty decent. You might have to go to spacing to adjust the space between the lines or between the letters if your font is too spaced out. So here I change the line spacing. Then I'll resize it with the current font so that it fits where I want it to. I'll move my character down a little bit. And you should feel free to add other things like a price or a date, other pictures in the background, a line of text at the bottom describing what the issue is going to be out, etc. When you're ready to turn it in, go to File, Save. You can just download a copy and then turn that file into Canvas. You'll probably want to give this a name, like comic cover, before you hit download. I'm going to put mine in my downloads folder, hit save. I'm going to go to the comic book cover assignment in Canvas, hit submit assignment, hit choose file, then downloads, then just hit submit assignment to turn it in.